有一天，医生问小明：“如果我割下你的一只耳朵，你会怎样？”小明说：“我会听不到声音。”医生说：“那我把你另一只耳朵也割下的话呢？”小明说：“我会看不到。”医生说：“为什么啊？”小明说：“因为我的眼镜儿会掉下来。”
Today we will learn 把. So 把 has no actual meaning, but it connects the subject and the object. In this way, we can stress what the subject do to the object. So to say somebody do something, we have two ways. First is the normal way. The subject, verb, the object. Somebody do something. I cut off an ear. The second way is to use 把 structure. So I 把 your other ear cut off. That means you focus on the verb. You cut off your other ear. For example, I ate your ice cream. So how do you use 把 structure to say I ate your ice cream? First, you connect the subject and the object with 把. 我把 object 你的 ice cream 雪糕 What do you do to it? Well, I ate it. 吃了. So I 把 your ice cream ate. 我把你的雪糕吃了. That literally means I take your ice cream and I ate it. Thank you.